Okay, so my name is Aaron Alaska, and this is my science fair project. Unfortunately, I do not have my science fair board, so I'll be presenting this through a presentation. So my project is the effect of growing lettuce with hydroponics on the growth of lettuce. So the experimental problem is, what is the effect of growing lettuce with hydroponics on the growth of lettuce? The purpose of this experiment was to show how growing lettuce with hydroponics helps them grow more efficiently by increasing their leaf length, leaf width, and diameter of the lettuce than with soil. Just some background information on hydroponics. Hydroponics is a method of agriculture that involves growing plants in a liquid solution without soil. This allows the plants to take in nutrients while taking up less space than with traditional agriculture. Okay. So here are the sources of my background information. My hypothesis is that lettuce growing with hydroponics will grow more efficiently than the lettuce growing in traditional soil because a hydroponics lettuce will receive more nutrients and water than with soil lettuce. Okay, so here are my materials and my procedure continued, and here's just basically a summary of all of that. So basically I got a large container, and I filled this full of water, and I got soil cups and mason jars to create support beams to lift the sheet so lettuce pods won't just fall into the water. And here's the sheet that I was talking about with the basket cages that the lettuce pods will be in, and styrofoam blocks which will just help it stay afloat. As you can see here, they're like semi-submerged, the baskets. And so I have 12 Rockwool Grow Cubes as lettuce seeds, and basically, this basically keeps the seeds like in a medium, so they're not floating around in water. And these are placed in the basket cages, semi-submerged, so they get enough nutrients, but they don't drown. And so I also had an aquarium pump, a hose, and a cable. This basically keeps the water circulating, so algae doesn't grow inside the water, and just keeps it constantly circulating around the whole container. And so here are some pictures of my hydroponic system, and here are the pictures of the soil. Soil, basically kind of the control, which the lettuce was growing in, at least the soil lettuce. And so here are my data tables. And so basically this is a bar graph that kind of shows the average of the lettuce leaf mean, just a width, just an overall summary. And here's also an overall. This shows the average of the lettuce leaf height, and just as you can see, hydroponics is growing more in soil, and also the same thing with the lettuce diameter. Okay, so overall, hydroponic lettuce grew wider and taller leaves and wider diameters than the soil lettuce. And then for my conclusion, the initial purpose of this experiment was to test if hydroponics can efficiently grow lettuce. In agreement with the initial hypothesis, the lettuce grew more efficiently with hydroponics. It was important to show how hydroponics can grow lettuce better than soil because just to convince farmers to use hydroponics, because hydroponics is better for the environment overall, for it removes the need for harmful chemical pesticides because hydroponic systems are typically grown inside. The removal of pesticides will help improve the health of the environment and would not hurt helpful bees and other pollinators. Hydroponics is also able to grow food in places where agriculture is not possible, which could make it a solution to malnourishment or hunger in certain areas.